Xbox have just released their latest special edition controllers, and there's currently 3 of them. We have Stormbreaker, we have Heartbreaker, and in today's video we're going to take a close look at the new Icebreaker special edition controller. Welcome to BarbsterFilms, where we take a close look at tech and gadgets from the filmmaking world to gaming accessories. So now let's take a deep dive look at this new incredible looking ice blue controller. This thing just looks incredible and is super eye-catching. And that unique design is the only thing that's different with a special edition controller to a normal Xbox controller. These special edition ones don't have any extra buttons or layouts or anything. They follow the same shape, same size as a normal Xbox controller. It still has the dedicated share button on the front, the USB-C port to charge it on the back and the sync button, and the 3.5mm headphone jack and expansion port on the bottom. So that unique design is pretty much the only reason why you would want to go for one of these special edition controllers. And I do think it looks super cool in more ways than one. And I do think the color choices they've chose for this controller do just look amazing. On the back we've got this really nice solid blue color with a bit of texture grit where our fingers sit, but on the side we've actually got a different color here. It's more like a sort of deep teal, but this is actually slightly rubberized and it does have that grip on it as well. Now in some lights the bumper buttons do look white, but they're actually a super pale blue. And whilst we're talking about the back of the controller, as you can see that these special edition controllers still don't have any form of internal battery. They do come with 2 AA batteries, or we can actually put our own plug and play in here and charge it via that USB-C port. Now if we turn the controller around, we can see that they've used pretty much the same color for the thumbsticks as the rubberized sections of the side of the controller. And the D-pad is the same blue as the back of the controller. And if we look at the other buttons on the front of the controller, we can see that it's the same super pale blue as the bumper buttons. And all of those colours are used for the main front plastic of this controller, with these really nice textured patterns. But if we actually look really closely at the front plastic, we can see that it's actually semi-transparent. And we can just about see the inner workings of this controller and a little bit of the shiny chassis, the metallic chassis that lies beneath. I think having this semi-transparent plastic on the front just adds a whole different depth and just makes the whole controller look amazing. But if we compare it to last year's Ghost Cypher special edition controller, then no, it's not quite as clear as that one. The only real standout thing I would say is the black they've used for the background color for the Xbox logo. This is the only thing that's black on the controller and definitely does stand out. But what I think is really nice is the fact that when we turn it on, there's a really nice bright LED behind it, which basically makes that black go transparent and we can just see that X shine through. And for me personally, if we're playing games with this controller or if we've got it put up onto a shelf, I just think it looks fantastic and really eye-catching. And that's one thing that I do really appreciate about Xbox is they have been releasing some really nice and unique looking special edition controllers. I kind of wish like Sony and Nintendo would do first party special edition controllers like these. I know we can get kind of third party ones which do look amazing as well, but I'm so pleased that Xbox have decided to release special edition controllers which do just look incredible. But I suppose the question is, what do you think of this Icebreaker controller? Is this something that appeals to you? Do you like the colors and the design of it? Make sure you let me know in the comment section down below. But if you do like this Icebreaker special edition controller, then I would definitely say pick one up whilst you can, because like I said earlier, special edition means that at some point they probably will come off a sale. And I'm pretty sure that different retailers, especially here in the UK, have exclusivities with the different colors. For instance, this Icebreaker one is available at Curry's, but is not available on Amazon, as Amazon has an exclusivity with the Stormbreaker controller, and the Heartbreaker controller is available in Argos. Not all 3 of these are available on Amazon, for instance, but all 3 of them are available on the Microsoft Store and the Xbox Store online. And the price is consistent at $74.99 no matter where you get them from. But maybe you're not a fan of the Icebreaker special edition controller and you don't really like the color combination they have chose here, then let me know in the comment section down below what color combo would you like to see next. And if you are wondering, I have actually done a comparison of all 3 of these controllers on a separate video, so if you want to see the differences between all 3 of these, make sure you go over and check that out. But that's enough from me today, and I really hope you guys have enjoyed looking up close about the Icebreaker controller. If you have enjoyed today's video, a like would be amazing, and if you're not already, a subscribe would be incredible as well, as it really does help out on small channels like mine. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you here again soon.